So LitezAll sent me this 1000 lumen torch for those of you who aren't in the US. For the rest of us, it is a flashlight, and 1000 lumens is really bright. So let me get it out of here, talk to you about some of its features, and then we gotta test it out, right? Okay, so the name of the brand is LitezAll, and I was initially just thinking about this as in terms of a flashlight review. But there's more to it in the sense that this thing is so light, you wouldn't believe it. So that LitezAll thing is kind of, it is light, and LitezAll, it's kind of a cool name. But let's talk about some of the features that you want to know about. It has an 1800 milliamp hour battery, which is a nice, powerful battery. So powerful that at 1000 lumens, this will last for a legit 4 hours. If you go down, it goes up. You could get as much as 11 hours on it if you went all the way down. But I don't know why. 4 hours at full brightness seems pretty wicked to me. As you can see here, it has an indicator which tells you how much battery it has. We've got 3 out of 4 bars right now. It's soft touch. I'm telling you, it is really bright. I'm here in Southern Florida and I can see it clear as day now. But speaking of clear as day, there's only one thing we can do, right? We need to go back out tonight, see how it works, and then talk about a final review. All right, I'll see you in a couple hours. Here we go. Only in my dedication to you am I taking this out so you can see what it looks like. It is full on buggy time of night. It's not quite dark. The camera makes it look much lighter than what it is, but it's like a dark area. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Look at that for an absolute answer. If you wanted to know, look how far down that works. That is crazy cool. That is absolutely a ridiculously cool. I can't believe how light this is for it to work that well. That is absolutely ridiculously cool. This is a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score all day and all night. Here, let me just show you some of those lower settings. Oh, super cool. Recommend it highly. See you next time.